album coming. Look. Okay, it's time to get my grub on. Killing all these rappers, let me put some gloves on. OJ Simpson on these bitches just because asking all these questions, where the fuck he come from? I'm about to get my buzz gone. I pop off in that booth, pop the bottle of that goose, and I lay back and kick my feet up. I'm the man, bitch, I'm the truth, and I just run my city. I look back and all that say is true, and all these haters, I just thank them really. That ain't nothing new. I keep it Philly on a wheelie, got my mind up on a milli. All these rappers talking shit, you rappers funny, keep it silly. I'ma do my thing, ho, bad bitch, Range Rover. I'ma keep it G, whatever I say, that go. I ain't into making love songs. Pair of double D's for me to roll on. That ass is super fat, I'm tryna hold on. And I'm into pulling out, get that out, then I gotta get my roll on. Damn. Girl, I, roll up. Girl, I, roll up. Girl, I, roll up. Girl, I, bitch, you know I'm smoking OG. I put that on my city, I get no sleep. I swear I keep it coming like a nosebleed. I'm about to do my thing, bitch, I know G's who got you on the low key. They say he's such an asshole. Fuck about a bitch, I'm all about my cash flow. Running laps around my city, where my castle. I'm just saying I'm a beast, matter of fact, I'm a king. Matter of fact, I bring that back. Started with a quarter, flipping sacks. Got my shit in order, selling pizza 16. Nobody flipping that. My partners ran the corner, they was ordered, they was flipping cats.